Got a new router? Here's how to simplify your network setup. Simplify network setup by reusing your SSID and password. Did you get a shiny new Wi-Fi router to help with all your stay-at-home internet activities? You're probably not alone. And thanks to the rise in video conferencing, streaming, and other internet-related activities across the home. But the worst part is updating all your devices with the new Wi-Fi name and password. That is, unless you do the smart thing and reuse your SSID and password. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and get involved. Every new router, Wi-Fi or otherwise, comes with a preset SSID, which is the service set identifier, and a password. It's tempting to just roll with that because you don't have to fiddle around in admin settings to update anything. But you're putting a lot more work on yourself. If you swap out routers and keep the new SSID and password combo, that means you must update every single Wi-Fi device in your home. In my home, that means all the cell phones, tablets, laptops, smart speakers, smart TVs, smart cameras, smart alarm, smart outlets, light bulbs, vacuum, and more. Modern homes have moved from half a dozen connected Wi-Fi devices to dozens of Wi-Fi devices. But you don't have to go through all of that. Make your life easier by changing the SSID and password on your new router to match your old router's SSID and password. When your Wi-Fi devices try to connect to your network, the first thing they do is look for a network that matches the SSID you previously told them to use. It won't know that the router hardware changed, just that the address is right. Then it will provide the password, which matches and automatically connect. You won't have to do anything to reconnect all your devices. They'll connect automatically. There are some exceptions you need to keep in mind. Of course, life isn't always simple, so there are two exceptions to this advice we must mention. First, this may not work if you're upgrading from an ancient router that uses an outdated security protocol like WEP. Even if you use the same password, it won't look the same to the machine involved. The other exception is that if you're using a very weak network password, or worse, no password. If your current Wi-Fi password is password, or you don't have one at all, stop it. You're asking for someone to use your network for whatever they want. If your Wi-Fi already feels slow, that might be the very problem you're facing. See Reviewgeek for the full article on this topic. Just follow the link listed. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.